Hello everyone, I'm Aishi Datta from iExpo. Today we will continue our previous topic, that is blood. Today we will study about blood conditions and treatment. Blood conditions: hemorrhage or bleeding. Blood leaking out of blood vessels may be obvious as from a wound penetrating the skin. The internal bleeding, such as into the intestine or after a car accident, may not be immediately apparent. Hematoma: a collection of blood inside the blood tissue. Internal bleeding often causes a hematoma. Leukemia, a form of blood cancer in which white blood cells multiply abnormally and circulate through the blood. The abnormal white blood cells make getting sick from infections easier than normal. Multiple myeloma, a form of blood cancer of plasma cells similar to leukemia. Anemia, kidney failure, and high blood calcium levels are common in multiple myeloma. Lymphoma, a form of blood cancer in which white blood cells multiply abnormally inside lymph nodes and other tissues. The enlarging tissues and disruption of blood's function can eventually cause organ failure. Anemia, an abnormally low number of blood cells in the blood, fatigue and breathlessness can result, although anemia often causes no noticeable symptoms. Hemolytic anemia, anemia caused by rapid bursting of large number of red blood cells. Hemolysis, and immune system malfunction is one cause. Hemochromatosis, a disorder causing excessive level of iron in blood. The iron deposits in the liver, pancreas, and other organs, causing liver problems and diabetes. Sickle cell disease, a genetic condition in which red blood cells periodically lose their proper shape, appearance like sickles rather than discs. They deformed blood cells deposit in tissue, causing pain and organ damage. Bacteremia, bacterial infection of the blood. Blood infections are serious and often require hospitalization and continuous antibiotic infusion into the veins. Malaria, infection of red blood cells by Plasmodium, a parasite transmitted by mosquitoes. Malaria causes episodic fever, chills, and potentially organ damage. Thrombocytopenia, abnormally low number of platelets in the blood. Severe thrombocytopenia may lead to bleeding. Leukopenia, abnormally low number of white blood cells in the blood. Leukopenia can result in difficulty fighting infections. Disseminated intravascular coagulation (DIC), an uncontrolled process of simultaneous bleeding and clotting in very small vessels. DIC usually results from severe infections or cancer. Hemophilia, an inherited deficiency of certain blood clotting proteins. Frequent or uncontrolled bleeding can result from hemophilia. Hypercoagulable state. Numerous conditions can result in the blood being prone to clotting. Heart attack, stroke, or a blood clots in the legs or lungs can result. Polycythemia, abnormally high number of red blood cells in the blood. Polycythemia can result from low blood oxygen level or may occur as cancer-like condition. Deep venous thrombosis (DVT), a blood clot in a deep vein, usually in the leg. DVTs are dangerous because they may become dislodged and travel to the lungs, causing pulmonary embolishment. Myocardial infarction (MI), commonly called a heart attack. A myocardial infarction occurs when a sudden blood clot develops in one of the coronary artery, which supply blood to the heart. Blood test: complete blood count, an analysis of the concentration of red blood cell, white blood cells, and platelets in the blood. Automated cell counters perform in this test. Blood smear: a drop of blood are smeared across a microscope slide to be examined by an expert in a lab. Leukemia, anemia, malaria, and numerous other blood conditions can be identified with the blood smear. Blood type: a test for compatibility before receiving a blood transfusion. The major blood types A, B, AB, and O are determined by the protein makers antigens present on the surface of red blood cell. Coombs test, a blood test looking for antibodies that could bind to and destroy red blood cells. Pregnant women and people with anemia may undergo Coombs test. Blood culture, a blood test looking for infection present in the bloodstream. If bacteria or other organisms are present, they multiply in tested blood, allowing their identification. Mixing study, a blood test to identify the reason of blood being too thin, abnormally resistant to clotting. The patient blood is mixed with in a tube with normal blood, and the mixed blood properties may provide a diagnosis. Bone marrow biopsy. A thick needle is inserted into a large bone, usually the hip, and bone marrow is drawn out of test. Bone marrow biopsy can identify blood condition that simple blood test cannot. Blood treatments. Chemotherapy. Medicines that kill cancer cells, leukemias and lymphomas are usually treated with chemotherapy. Blood transfusion. A blood donor's red blood cells are separated from their plasma and packed into a small bag. Transfusing the concentrated red blood cells into a recipient replaces blood loss. Platelet transfusion. A blood donor's platelets are separated from the rest of blood and concentrated into a plastic bag. Platelets transfusion is generally only performed when platelets count fall to very low level. Fresh frozen plasma. A blood donor's plasma, liquid blood, is separated from the blood cell and frozen for storage. Plasma transfusion can improve blood clotting and prevent or stop bleeding that's due to clotting problems. Cryoprecipitate. Specific proteins are separated from blood and frozen in a small volume of liquid. Cryoprecipitate transfusion can replace specific blood clotting proteins when their levels are low, such as in people with hemophilia. Anticoagulation medicines to thin the blood and prevent clotting in people at high risk of blood clots. Heparin, enoxaparin, and warfarin are the medicine most often used. Antiplatelet drugs, aspirin, and clopidogrel interfere with platelet function and help prevent blood clots, including those that cause heart attack and strokes. Antibiotics, medicines to kill bacteria and parasites can treat blood infections caused by these organisms. Erythropoietin, a hormone produced by the kidney that stimulates red blood cell production. A manufactured form of erythropoietin can be given to improve the symptoms of anemia. Bloodletting. In people with problem caused by too much blood, such as from hemochromatosis or polycythemia, occasional controlled removal of blood may be necessary. Thank you so much. If you are new to our channel, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel, and also see the other videos which are appearing in your screen. Thank you.